elsewhere and extend the line. For the third procedure, Ms. Laurino, will you please read? Or
Raise the front bands to extend to set the front line down.
this is our front body is lower, and we need to trace it on a pattern figure. Make sure that shoulder is aligned to the point A. And also, don't forget to trace the darts.
Wala pa lang day preparation, di ba? Pinabaka ko sa pagkakas. Alin na talaga yun. Para alam mo dati na wala pa work. Ang balik-balik mo. Ang unit lang. Ano yung
For the fifth procedure, Ms. Jaira, will you please read? Alright, we need to use a tape measure. And in my measurement, 31 inches is my dress length. From point A, I'm going to measure until I get the 31 inches. After that, extend the line both ways.
Dati ko na nagtitake mo. Hindi, ano yung paper niya?
And don't forget to mark as a point B. For the sixth procedure, Ms. Malinay, will you please read?
From the hip line, extend the line downward for both front and backward.
This is the hip line. We need to extend the line from hip line to hem line. And for the seventh procedure, Miss Mahinay, will you please read?
Measure half inch downward from the center front line and connect the side to the hip.
This is the 1/2 inch of a tape measure. From the center point, measure a 1/2 inch downward and use a hip curve to connect the line.
Hindi, akala niya.
Kyla, will you please read?
Measure the desired length and overlap more or less 5 cm to the width and 18 cm more or less for the height of the keep cake at the back wall.
Patalin mo lang.
In my measurement, I preferred to use for my cake list is 18 centimeter. From the hemline, I'm going to measure 18 centimeter. And for the width of my cake list is 5 centimeter. And mark as it point C. And for the last procedure,
Ano yung isa? Para sa ano yun?
Miss Gakuma, will you please read?
Ano yun?
Nine.
So we're to neckline about
Isa ba yung
for front and back dress.
Maliliit.
Okay. Get the 2 cm on the tape measure and lower it to the leg. This is the result how to drop a one-piece sheet dress. Are you ready, class, for to demonstrate the drop the one-piece sheet dress? Yes. It seems that you are all ready. I need a 5 volunteers to demonstrate dropping a one-piece sheet dress. Yes, Miss Mahinay for step 1 and step 2. For step 3 and step 4, Miss Tracy.
Yung second year ko.
For 4 and for 5 and 6, Miss Belando. 7 and 8, Miss Flores. And 9, Miss Marie.
Baka pwede naman po yung upuan. Ano?
Don't forget to take
Kaya maaga ako napasok ay nag-pressure ako sa oras dito. Kaya ito yung pinagtitigil ko oras. Mas ano yun, advantage kapag Kindly read.
Just eat it.
Ba't yun ba sabi ako? Ano ba sabi ako? Can you read? Sabi niya?
Don't forget to reset.
Hindi na lang sabi yan kanina. Nakapagod na lang bigyan ng mga benefit and hindi ko na ilang wala sa isip ko. Hindi ko naman alam na magpapakende ka sa organ. Pero, prepared yan.